like being in Russia, escaping at like 16, 17, no money, using all his money to fly out. And then he's like
Wow.
having to work at a gym and shit like that, like low end stuff. Again,
Yeah.
he was locked into, he was a bodybuilder. He got
Thank you.
huge. He was in Russia. And then he was basically like starving just to get out. Like once he got in Vietnam, he was basically starving.
That's insane.
So
Yeah.
yeah, his story is crazy.
That shit
Yeah.
made me feel like I had it good running away from my shit. Holy shit.
What happened with you, Zoe?
No, I did almost the same thing from Jamaica, but it wasn't on no like, oh shit, we might be getting this pulled back into the cloud, bruh.
I know. I have to take it.
Yeah, bro.
Let's sell here.
But yeah, it's almost the same. But the only thing is, I had family over here, so fuck me, bro. Holy shit.
Hmm.
Yeah, his is like more drastic. No family. I'm assuming so.
Yeah, no family at all.
Fuck, bro.
You had to learn Vietnamese a little bit. He's got it decent now. Like, here, I'll show you where he lives.
He lives in Vietnam or somewhere else.
Yeah, he lives in Vietnam right now.
He lives in Vietnam. Holy shit! I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Damn.
So he lives.
Zelly, are you live?
Yeah. I just went live actually, so yeah.
All right, now I can't say some my favorite words.
It's our favorite word.
It is. I feel really ridiculous right now because I don't know what it is. I've been wearing my glasses for like I don't know every single day, feeling like a little nerd. I put in my contacts right now, and I feel like I got the wrong prescription, bro. Like something's messed up.
Oh god, I have to click buy, bro. Oh my god.
He
I
lives
can't
with
even lie. Like I forgot my eyes are two different prescriptions, and I forgot which one was which. So I might have the wrong contact in each eye.
You guys in off this on
Yeah.
Spy?
I have to.
Or hitting on MES?
Yeah, it's
It didn't
almost
hit
it's
yet.
almost hitting my orders. My orders in.
Yeah, I have a resting order, but I have to take it.
Yeah, we kind of do.
Oh, see, look, it's hitting that old point of control. Come on, they know, bro. They're teleporting.
All right, I got in right on the. All right, on that.
You got filled?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm fucking one tick away again, as always. Like, holy shit, dude. I hate how. Okay, I just got filled. Nice.
Either we get okay
So,
flushed out.
just giving you a heads up. This might be a little bit of a late heads up. The win rate on the. I think the win rate on from 9:30 to 10 is the lowest of any by like a significant margin.
Mhm.
So
interesting.
when I was back testing this strat, like if you ever see a trade set up at like 9:30, every time I'm back testing, I just get mad because
Yeah.
it's like
It gets
I mean I
sent.
could be wrong about this percentage, but I feel like the win rate on these from what I've been watching in the past is like maybe 10%. Just from mine with the VWAP. Like
Yeah.
these VWAP trades at 9:30. Especially when it's like two long high volume bullish candles and then we get high volume bearish into the cloud. So like if this doesn't finish high volume, then I would say swimwear. But if this is
There's
Zelly, did you get stopped out?
Nope.
Alright.
I'm
The
thinking
Got
of.
stopped out. Psych!
I hope not.
Nah, we're in.
Like this
Are
is the
you in?
this is the nerve-wracking part, bro, because
Well, when you know you can't do anything,
yeah,
dude,
I'm
I'm
like
not even kidding.
I literally can't do anything until this closes out of the 9 or just wicks me out, bro.
Like, bro, even when I was in meta, I was like, oh fuck, what do I do? Now when it's like you have defined rules and shit, like dead ass, you just sit back and watch, and then whatever happens, happens. It's so nice.
Like I literally cannot touch this shit until it closes above the 9.
Nah, we could start jinxing it and saying that we're fucked. Like we're absolutely getting stopped.
Damn, we're so screwed.
Yeah, David. We're hosed.
Dude, I'm about to freaking shoot the chart.
Yeah,
Guys,
dude.
question real quick for what we want Sagar to do. Do we want him to just get like partnerships with 100 RIAs and do nothing else besides
Okay, I
that?
gotta stop now.
Yeah, I got stopped out too.
So you said partnerships with 100 RIAs?
Yep, because like I don't know, I know he's like setting meetings and helping a little bit with the VC stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like he doesn't have a constant thing that he can just do like, 8 hours a day on.
No, 100%.
Bro, if this
It's gonna be
immediately
something.
reverses, I'm about to crash out.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, it is what it is.
We're data.
Or would you guys rather
good
have him
thing.
do something else that's more useful?
What's up?
I said, or we could have him do something else that you guys think is more useful. That was what I thought would be like the highest value thing for him to stick with, at least in the short term, because we need the capital raising. But if you guys have other ideas, we can give him something else
Yeah,
too.
I mean, I think that like all of his time should be on capital raising because like what is well, like what is he doing on a daily basis right now?
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. That's why I want to give him something.
Uh,
I don't think it's like him being lazy. I just
No,
think he
I know,
doesn't have
that's-
anything.
I don't either. I'm just that's we just aren't really like putting much attention to VC right now, so it's
Bro, it's a good thing we have our stop losses, bro. Like, I'm not gonna fucking lie. Holy shit.
100%. I mean, you already know what I'm gonna say.
Damn, bro. Imagine we're like, oh no, it's gonna reverse. It's gonna reverse. No, the fuck, it's not.
No, I said that we have like a 10% chance of winning.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I already knew that, but it's like, you know,
Like this
we-
is my
we-
least favorite fucking trade that we have to take.
We have
but
to
we-
take it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, more 2025 results, Jamal. So through July 2025, it has basically already caught 2024's performance. So through July 2025, 0 down months, we're up 513 points on the year. 2024, the entire year, we caught 561 points.
That's awesome. I already started setting up the framework to code it, so we'll be good for Saturday. Oh, do you have the Vault Signals login or no?
Let me get that back right now. I was wondering. I felt like I was missing something.
Yeah. But cool. Last question then for Sagar. What do we want to give him for a deadline?
Oh shit! Sorry. Yeah, you're right. So we got to get RAs and we got to get the person on our board too.
Yeah.
So, deadline. I mean, I'm always super aggressive with this. I'm thinking like, I mean, we need to see something by the call this Sunday, whether we need to see concrete results or like adequate effort, but like one or the other at least.
Right.
Like,
yeah.
if
I
we
mean, I
wanted to
think he
make-
should be taking like say he does 10 meetings a day on average. I think
Yeah.
at least 8 of those should be with RIAs minimum.
Yeah, I mean that's all we need right now. Like I don't even think we need to meet with more startups
Morning guys, welcome in. We just got in a position because our signal was given, our entry was given, and we got in. We got stopped out at 20, I think 23 ticks, I believe, or something like that. Let me make sure. Hold on. Times 1.25. No. Twenty ticks. Times 0.5. I think it's like 23. But yeah, we got stopped out at 23 ticks. We'll be looking for, as I said, we're gonna be live for a little while. This is gonna present itself. As long as it presents itself, we're gonna be taking the trades. Yeah. So we got stopped out and looking for another entry. As we said, we're looking, depending on what direction, you know, we're going in the VWAP. So now, depending if we continue down, we should be looking for sales, basically. So yeah, lock in.
I've never gotten one, so I don't know how hard it is, but just based off of that, I think that we should set it at that and then kind of see how it goes. Because like if we see how much effort he's putting in, we'll know if it's realistic or not.
Yeah, I mean, personally, if I was doing it 8 hours a day, I could probably get conservative estimate anywhere from 300 to 500 for, and this is like if I'm only focusing on this, literally 8 hours a day. So I think 100 is probably good for him to start with, and then once he does better, he'll be able to get more.
Yep.
Cool. All right, I'll let him know. And then, do we wanna yell at him for not joining the Discord meetings?
Yeah, because these are basically our morning meetings, which
Yeah, I mean, we put in the group chat that we're all just gonna join here. I don't know why we're joining.
literally. Okay. I have the new login info. Jamal, it's the same password, but this time it's my joint growth email. So I will send it.
Thank
Who
you.
all has access to the to this trade desk chat? Because I can just send it in the chat.
Just all of us, so we're fine.
Okay.
So the random members don't have access to it, right? Like the.
Yeah, no, they can't see them. Only
Okay.
people that we've met in person.
Yeah, I just don't.
Yeah, Martin has it, so that's always a risk.
Well, Martin doesn't know what site this login is for, so we should be fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh
that's
wait,
true.
that might be my fucking password to my actual.
Yo, don't just DM it to him, bro. Like delete that
Yeah, you
message
don't have to
type
put it
shit.
here. You can DM it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Jamal, don't hack me because this is also the actual password to the email.
I'm gonna hack you and take your LLC EIN. Like, what am I even gonna do with it, bro?
Think it's better.
Brendan, you have my social security, bro. I can't do anything.
You have mine.
I don't
I got
remember
all
yours.
We're all
Oh,
fucked,
David,
bro.
you gave him yours too.
We're
gotta
all
sign
fucked.
it from
Holy
Simon.
shit. We're fucked. We're so
I think
fucked.
we all have everybody's shit.
We're
Zelly has me
fucked.
on video saying fucking bad words.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
damn.
if one of us goes down, we're all going
Everybody,
down.
that sounds like we're all fucked. We're all
Oh
fucked,
my
bro.
gosh, I forgot to tell you guys. I got a call from Sagar yesterday around noon. And he's like, "Did you fucking change my password?"
No.
Yo, you sound just like him. What the fuck?
Yep. And I was like,
No.
"Yep, I told you." He's like, "Bro, stop fucking playing around." And I was like, "Oh wait, it says, hold on, try taking away the exclamation point."
All right. That's hilarious, though, bro. I didn't even know that.
And I was like, "I told you." I said, if I don't get a text by Monday that it's done, I'm revoking your shit." And I'm like, "You're lucky I didn't delete it. I got talked out of deleting it." And then he was like, I was like, "So you didn't send it?" He's like, "How about I send you a picture of these fucking nuts?"
Damn.
And I was like, "Sagar." Yeah, no, it was a funny ass conversation because I was like, "I told you, buddy." Jamal, did it
I
work?
mean, you did tell
No,
me.
it still didn't work. There's no rush if you want to do it later.
No, I
whenever
just
you
need
get
to
it.
remember. might have like. It doesn't ask you to confirm your password, so I might have done a typo while I did that, which is kind of annoying.
There's no rush. Just do it whenever you're free.
We won't get
Cool.
another
I'm
entry
gonna
for
let
now,
Sagar
bro.
know. I have
Hmm.
meetings starting at 10:30 today, so I'm gonna get on those. So I don't know if you guys want to excuse them from this one, if you guys won't be here either. But starting tomorrow, let's make sure he knows that it's gonna be in here.
Can someone add Jacob?
Oh, Jacob,
Yeah.
I believe it doesn't want to work with us anymore. Sagar told him about the milestones, and he didn't like them.
Really?
Yeah, I told him that I had an idea it would happen, but yeah, Jacob wasn't feeling it.
I'm not surprised.
Wait, so are we making a new group chat now because Jacob's not with us anymore?
I think he just
Yeah.
left it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
I mean,
gotcha.
not sure. But David, we already kind of ditched you and Martin and Jacob. We had a group chat from the trip, so worst case scenario, we'll just add you guys into there.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah, we
Jamal,
were-
it's the original
How was
password.
they glitched?
What's that?
It's the
I said,
original.
why was they glitched? Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. It's,
I
so
didn't
the
hear
first
either
one
of
that
you.
I-
Hold on.
The first password that I sent you is the correct one. I just reset it.
All right. Let's try here. All right, there we go. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, we got one node and then two pyramids on either side.
Bro, what is happening right now? What
Yeah,
the
literally.
fuck? There's no way. There's no way, bro. Yeah,
Damn.
now
Okay, I'm glad I exited meta. Once it touched the bottom of that candle that broke out. I'm glad. I would have actually lost. Yeah, I guess I gotta look at meta more. I think that I just need to auto sell at the pre-market high or low, just because like this shit.
But there's no
Yeah,
fucking way
sure.
this shit is actually going back bullish, bro. What are we doing?
Gosh, I hope not. I don't want to trade.
I really don't want to trade either, bro. But it is what it is.
Zelly, I'm so mad you were on the bus yesterday for that.
Bro, you know what? Literally, I was about to tell you this morning because I thought you were in the fucking channel. I was like, bro, anytime I'm like outside, I'm just gonna like put the shit on my phone and just trade on my phone. Like just that only with one contract.
Yeah.
Not my full size, but like just with one contract. Just to
Yeah.
do it. You know what I mean? Because I was like, bro, it's really a
Literally.
no-brainer, bro. Like it was such low risk yesterday. And I was
Yeah.
like, fuck, I should have just did that. But then it's like there's no buts. Like I should have entered, left everything as it is, and then like once I got off, like I would have been good. The
Yeah.
trains, they lose signal, bro. Like I would have preferred to be on the bus because the buses don't lose signal, but when you're on the train, bro, like you lose signal when you're on the ground. I was like, fuck, I could have just bought a contract and just let that shit ride. And by the time I got
Yeah.
off the train, like I would have had bread. Like the fuck.
Dude, literally. That's what's beautiful about this entire thing is like
Mm.
you just let it sit. Yesterday me doing that like reversal thing was just because I haven't finished back testing and
Mhm.
this was like a monster. Like 27 points is fucking huge.
It was, bro. Can't lie. For me, 10 points is like guaranteed. 20 points is like optimal. 20 more than that is like, psh,
Yeah,
thank
dude,
heavens.
if you're catching over 20 points, it's fucking crazy.
Oh, guys, real quick. Zelly, are you free March 25th? Wednesday?
Wednesday, I can be.
Can be. Okay, there's an event in New York that
Mhm,
I'm
mhm.
going to, and then Brendan or David. It says I can only bring one person. I'll try to ask for two, but if we can only bring one, I don't know if either of you guys want to go to. It's for more focused on VC. It's one of those, it's like half pitching, where startups are going to pitch us, and then the other half is just networking, where there's a bunch of angel investors and stuff like that who might be able to just make commitments to our fund.
Mm.
Nice. New York's where it's at, bro.
Mm.
New York,
Yeah,
New York,
definitely.
New York is
This is-
like I don't know
no,
how to explain it, bro. Like people just give away money here.
Literally, bro. But no, I'll definitely be there. So me and you will do something regardless, and then David and Brendan, either one of you want to come, just let me know because I have to give the person your name to sign up.
Okay.
Mhm.
David, do you have a strong inclination one way or another?
Me, no. I mean, no. The time wasted for me going to New York is a lot.
Okay,
So-
I can go.
I'm super behind on my stuff from traveling. It's been
Okay.
hard to catch up.
I got you.
Alright,
Yeah, I can do it. Jamal, how long are we there for?
It's from 4:30 to 8:30.
Oh, it's just a day trip?
Yeah, it's a 4-hour event, and then we're gonna see Mr. Zelly over there.
Beautiful. Yeah, let's do it.
Cool.
You're driving.
What?
I said you're driving.
Again?
Yup.
All good. I don't mind.
Alright, I do, so that's perfect.
All right. I like the drive. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
You were
I like-
complaining so much last time about driving.
What's that?
I said last time, like the bicyclists and everything, you were like talking so much shit about them.
Driving
I
driving
would
in New
too.
York is annoying, bro. Like it is very annoying. But I think
Yeah,
I think
the
he just
actual
means in
distance
general he's fine with just driving in general. But driving in New York City, bro, like you can't close, bro. Bro, you gotta be
I
alert.
don't blame them. Those bikes, like those people on the bikes, like did not know like where to even go.
No, they
Yeah,
know.
they're,
They
like,
just don't give a
asking to
fuck.
die.
They just don't care, bro. They know
Jamal-
exactly what they're doing.
Jamal almost ran over too.
I know.
I don't know if we're gonna get a better entry than this on JPM.
Jamal wants to run him over. You can't lie.
I kind of thought he did. I saw the look in his
You're
eye.
asking for it. I mean, yeah, JPM. If you want to get in now, I would do at this level. I mean, half size, and then tomorrow do the other half.
Because I'm kind of looking to take it to 310. Because I have a next Friday call. I'll probably
I
take the
just do not
300.
like XLF.
What's up?
I said I just do not like XLF.
Let me look at this shit again.
XLF.
Oh boy. I mean, do you think it will reverse off of this like 50 level? Like in 37 more cents?
I have no idea. It's 50-50 in my opinion.
Because, yeah, I don't like how every time JP Morgan has coincidentally been here, XLF has not been this low.
Right. Yeah, XLF broke support. Besides that, if we didn't have that, I probably would just do the first entry right now.
That's bullish.
We break this pivot.
I can't wait until we have all of this data. Because you want to know something interesting? So, the most volatile periods, this has performed the absolute best. People are like, I've had a few people that I've talked to about our fund, and then I'll mention this test, ask me about like, oh, how would it perform in 08? How would it perform in 22? And it's funny because like April 2025, during that huge down period. So in April, this strat returned 154 points, which is essentially 1/3 of the entirety of 2024's return.
Yeah, the down months and the big volatility events are always going to do the best. That's why I paired it specifically in a way that when the condors are going to suck, this is going to make up for it, and when this strategy is going to suck, the condors will make up for it.
My boy's
So it's like
hedging
we're
in real
always gonna
life.
be making money.
Literally.
I'm gonna
Because
be bad either way.
if the Condors blow, this does incredibly well, and then this has never not been profitable over a month stretch, and I've tested 18 months,
Right.
Damn.
actually 19. But the one thing that I do kind of want to reevaluate, so it's going to be the peak to trough drawdown, because in the April volatility, there was, so I caught a 90, I sent it to Zelly, I think it was a 97 point trade, which is like genuinely astronomical. And then I caught a 75, but then there were 2 consecutive losses of 65 and 67.
Oh shit.
So it's like in the net, it's plus 60 points, but the peak to trough, you would essentially see a 120 point drawdown, even though it's just 2 trades after those. And then if you would have cut off trading for that month, you're missing out on almost half of the gains for the entire month. Like, that's the one thing. Because I think the way that we should assess the risk for this strategy is test all of 5 years, find like the 3 largest drawdowns, and then base it off of those. Because if this has had 0 unprofitable months throughout 5 years, so if we test 60 months and every single month is up, like, I feel like we're gonna have to change the drawdown limit on this.
No, yeah, I agree. Hey, when are we playing ping
That would have
pong
been a
again?
perfect trade. Damn.
What's up?
Said when are we pulling up and playing ping pong again?
Dude, I want to come back and play ping pong.
We are
When you guys want to? I'm free whenever.
about a
Alright,
code.
This shit going back
Um,
bullish, bro. Fox.
We got to get back
Fox.
into the gym too.
My car is probably blocked in again now.
I'm not-
Yeah,
shit.
you're fucked, bro.
I can't even lie. You guys remember how I was talking about how I hate Fusion?
Yeah.
I never heard you say you hate Fusion.
Oh, I told Jamal that I hate that shit.
Yeah.
How come?
I can't even lie. Literally just yesterday, I canceled my membership.
Damn.
I'm like a member at another one, and I was just like eating. I was literally just paying Fusion for me not to go to the gym.
I get that. I mean, I could bring
I don't
you-
like. Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry. They're doing like the whole month of February. You can bring 1 free guest, like for the whole entire month.
I
Yeah, I mean-
I'll just bring you guys then, but I mean, yeah, I don't even go there. I literally just have my membership, and it's like I'll go once every 3 months, and that's it.
I mean, I still use my membership. I mean, it works out perfectly with me right now because I trade during the day and everything, and I'm watching the charts and studying. Then I got to go to my second job, work that, and then I get off of that at like 11 or 12, and then I get to go to the gym.
Wait, what's your second job?
It's still Wawa.
Oh, okay.
I just don't want to say Wawa because I fucking hate working there. Just wait. Now since I'm moving to options, hopefully it becomes a lot quicker that I can quit.
Yeah, did you cancel your prop account yet?
I did cancel that. So I should have the money to start trading options Friday. And all next week is just history from there.
Nice. How much you starting with?
I'm gonna start with 500, just because that's all I can start with right now, and then just build that up.
Okay, and then you're doing scalping, swing trading, the condors, or what are you thinking?
I don't think I can do condors yet because I remember talking to you saying like how there's levels to this. Like Robinhood's like you can only do I think it's the 4 that they're letting me do. Hold on.
Pretty
No,
sure
you can just get all of them right away.
Really? How?
You lie about your experience.
Got it. Okay.
Level 3.
Yep. Roselli,
Yeah.
remember when you had level 3 when you started? Can I
Well,
tell him? Can I tell him, bro?
yes, bro. They have to. I did tell him some of the stories, but not everything, bro. But yeah.
You told me
Alright,
about Tesla.
Shit.
Yeah,
so, before you guys knew, so I met Zelly like in person actually, like just last year in April. And
Holy
we've been
shit.
trading for like a year before that. And I pulled up and I met him. He has level 3 options on Robinhood. He's telling me about all this stuff and like all these strategies and whatnot. This man is trading off of a Yahoo Finance line charts.
Bro, I was
Bro.
just starting, like, as I said, bro, before, everything was just like, I don't call anything I did before was like trading, because like I wasn't really like fully invested in it. It's just like, oh, I would see a move happen. Like there was no technicals, bro. Like everything was so fucking dumb, bro. Everything was like fundamental. I was like, yo, what the fuck am I doing, bro? Look back at that shit, I was like, oh my god, you're so retarded. You are so
Nah, but
retarded,
look at the
bro.
results now.
Oh shit, I
The
can't say
journey,
that.
bro.
Can't say that. Fuck, bro. I'm about to get canceled again on TikTok.
No, you're not. No, it's not. No, you're not. It didn't even happen.
But yeah, bro, like it was so bad. It was so bad, bro.
Yeah, but bro, then like 1 month later, literally within 30 days, you were like pretty much knowing everything.
Yo. Cause I locked in, bro. I was like, wait, no, there has to. Oh my god, bro! Your live is flagged for hate speech and hateful behaviors, repeated violation. Oh my god, bro. I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this shit, bro. Like I don't think I have to.
Bro.
I have to practice. I have to practice, bro.
Dude,
have to
I just
practice.
got a DM from fucking Larry Jamal on the Joint Growth Partners account.
Yeah, what do you say?
He just fucking went off. He basically was asking, he thinks that it's you reading this, and then said, Jamal, I'm expecting you to send me a check for $47,645.
Yeah.
That is the amount I lost in your failed, now closed hedge fund tight, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end, he said, check out my review of your new company. Go to YouTube and type Joint Growth Partners review.
I'll watch that one now too.
Hold on, we gotta pull that up. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm
Hold
going
on.
on it right now. I want to see.
I gotta see this. John, man.
He's been copy pasting me the same messages for like 6 months. He's been spamming Alex with them too. It's like I don't even understand it.
Did he
He's
sue?
motivated. I'll give him that.
Did he sue?
So he contacted an attorney, and the attorney basically told him like, hey, well the attorney sent us a demand letter first. They're like, hey, you need to give him his money back. And we're like, hey, you know why he's suing you, right? It's because he didn't see that there was a 2% management fee. And then his attorney basically kicked him out as a client and said, you don't have a case, we can't do anything. So then he resorted to basically just like spamming me and Alex. But he tried to sue, and his own attorney told him he couldn't do anything.
Oh damn.
Oh
I
my
don't-
goodness,
I don't
he
see
made it
that.
now. Where to go?
Gotta check it out now.
Wait, where is it?
Oh, he has 3 videos up.
Yo, what's
yeah,
his
there's
name?
3 total.
No way.
Joint. I don't see it. What did you guys type in?
Look up Larry W.
Larry
be-
W. Joint Growth Partners review.
It's just an old white guy.
Oh damn, Larry.
And Brendan, you see the message? How it's like typos and like
Oh,
incoherent sentences
God
and like
damn,
borderline
Larry.
dementia.
Yeah, dude. He like cannot. That's funny.
Bro,
Does
how
he
did
not
we
have
get
anything
stopped
better to
out?
do?
Oh my god, we would have been great.
On Spy?
No, we got stopped out on that first trade, and then like it actually hit the take profits. I'm fucking.
Oh yeah.
Joint Growth Partners review Jamal Gari, CEO.
I have a meeting coming up in 3 minutes, but I'll watch it.
Oh,
Yeah, wait, Brendan, share. I gotta watch this.
I can't watch it on stream, bro. I gotta.
Ah, damn,
I'll
never
watch
mind.
it after, bro. There's no way. Shorty. But he did gain though, right? He didn't suffer a net loss, did he, Jamal?
No, he had a net loss because he was upset about the management fee, so he pulled out right away. So he was like down 2%. And then I don't know what he's at right now. He's probably down now if he kept it in or went back in with Alex because Alex was trading. He might say it in the video, so I'll watch it after the meeting.
Oh nah, Larry. Harry, you fucked up, twin.
I did.
Wait, shh. I'm trying to listen.
Oh, my
Can you
fault.
hear it?
I can't hear it.
I can't
I see
hear
it.
Okay.
There we go.
Let me watch it on this screen.
I have my meeting, so I'll watch it with you guys after. Let me know how it goes.
All right. Bye.
See you soon, boss.
All right, see
Bye.
you guys.
Damn.
No.
Dang.
Watching it, bro.
Damn.
Dude.
$2,000, $655 of your $50,000 investment back. We'll be happy to give it to you, and we will waive the 10% penalty fee because we didn't hold the account for a year. Because the fund went broke after 7 months. He's doing you a big favor by giving you back your $2,655 of your $50,000 investment. And I'm not the only one this happened to. Everybody in that fund lost 90% of their money in 7 months. No explanation. Data room was never updated. The reports he created were not indicative of the reality of the trade. And people just tremendously lost money trusting Jamal Guri. Now, why am I making that statement? Because Jamal Guri, in December of 2025, opened up a brand new fund, which he calls Joint Growth Partners. And in this fund, he says the same advertisement, but it's a big disclaimer. There's a big disclaimer on the top page. Before you even get into the website, I'm going to read it. So bear with me if I don't look at it now. Read this. It says, this website and does not constitute an offer of a sell, solicitation, or an offer to buy, or a recommendation for any security. Private investments are expected to be illiquid and involve a high degree of risk, including the possible loss of the entire investment.
What's up, Neil? That's fucking solid, bro. My fault. We're watching this guy talk shit about one of the funds that we're associated with. So sorry about that, bro. Yeah, we got in position on ES, but we got stopped out. Can I turn this? Oh yeah, we got stopped out. You know, we already had our direction. We knew it was gonna be a long day today, so we got in position. But unfortunately, sellers wicked us out at right here, so we're looking to re-enter off our VWAP, our traditional VWAP entry. Yeah, not too bad, can't lie. You know, just being patient as usual. Yeah, this pullback has to happen. This entire momentum is like really solid. You know what I mean? High, higher high. This trade that we are looking to take should be a higher probability. You know, so all of us are going to take it when it happens. So hopefully we're good. No, there's nothing else we can do but get in position and just like let everything run. I mean, I hope it doesn't break through, because we need that buy. If it breaks through, then we have to wait for you know, we're gonna get stopped out. That too, we're gonna get stopped out if it breaks through. But oh yeah, the monthly, if it breaks through and going in the long direction, then yeah, for sure. My fault, bro. Like I'm just like looking at this report here. Yeah.
So that's what you're dealing with Jamal Guri. Now, Jamal Guri has partners now with this new fund. Now, I'm assuming these people know about Jamal Guri. So I'm assuming they're aware of who they're doing with and joined up with this company. The next these people now in the hedge fund of joint both partners is Sagar Koda, Brendan Jones.
Wow.
Oh, he called you out?
He called all of us out.
Damn, get fucked.
Yeah, how does he get the legal docs? It seems.
It's on the website.
Is it? I was just about to say it might be public information, but I don't know.
Wow.
You're aware, but you think it's a good idea to invest in a company that's telling you they have.
And then you just gotta say, I don't like how you put my name in that, and then just sue.
Yeah, can I sue?
You might be able to.
Defamation.
I mean, this is
Character.
like technically defamation now.
Yeah, I mean, I got enough money to sue. I'll definitely sue if it shuts them up.
What the fuck?
That's, I mean, that's kind of textbook defamation. I mean,
Oh, for real, bro? That's good. If I know what I knew what I know then,
stock market
I would have
titans as he
definitely
wants.
started
right,
on
but
like
like,
full paper. Like I literally just went
yeah,
straight in
figure out,
and
yeah.
lost money. So you're on the right track for sure, bro. Yeah, because it develops a different muscle.
got 19%
Both of them are
straight.
the like
You
similar
can't
but
even say
different.
like anything
The
like
psychology is
yeah,
different, but the
19%
execution
right
is the
there.
same. So I'm glad
Yeah.
that you're actually doing paper trading, bro. Like definitely keep it
It's
up.
fucking crazy actually, bro.
That's insane. Is that true though?
What? That I caught?
No, like,
Oh, that the investors lost their money?
did they never? He said that Titan was never profitable.
And
Yeah, so
that is
I
cap.
actually emailed him.
Larry.
Hoping that I emailed him hoping that he didn't know who I was. And I was asking about their month-to-month returns because I was curious.
Right.
And I was hoping, he didn't know who I was, but obviously my email is my name, so he obviously is not going to respond to me now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd like. That's interesting.
Jamal would probably know the answer.
But
Yeah.
that's like depending. I like as I said, I don't know. I don't know the details of that, but based on what I saw, the fund was definitely not losing money, bro. Like definitely has down months, but it was I don't know about it losing money, bro.
Yeah.
Bit crazy.
I don't know. I mean, I guess we just gotta ask Jamal because he also said that they lost 91% of the money, and which was 1.8 million.
I mean, they did.
Yeah,
It was
but,
Alex. Obviously, Alex tanked
But
it.
yeah.
I was gonna say, wasn't the other guy?
no, what I'm saying is, if 91% of the total funds is 1.8 million, that doesn't make the fund worth.
No, Jamal said that he told a lot of people and they pulled out when Alex started managing it. That's what he told me.
Mm. Yeah, that makes more sense though.
I just want to know because if we're saying that if we're posting these returns for the previous fund
Yeah,
and it's false,
yeah,
we can get sued
yeah. We can get
by
cooked, bro.
anybody who invests.
Well, all right. I think I told Jamal he needs to level up some of his communication and stuff. So the returns Jamal was talking about, the 10 mil to 95 mil, that is not from this fund. That is from his actual friends and family fund. So
What is that?
So he said his uncle, I guess is very wealthy in Pakistan. He said that he was one of the traders, and there was a couple traders there, and he said, yeah, that's where he's getting the 8 years or 7 years, 80% CAGR from. So he said it's not stock market titans. It's actually his, basically his uncle's family office.
Okay.
So, yeah. Should I should I try to email him again and be like, hey, like,
Nah,
I
fuck
wanna know
Larry.
who I'm working with.
Fuck Larry.
Fuck Larry.
Fuck Larry, bro. That ass. Let me look at an overall trend though. What are we in general? Oh, da, 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 da. Overall, we are bearish, but for the day, we are bullish on the day. Yeah. We have equal highs, and then we have a lower low. Equal highs on the hourly, low, low. So overall, we're bearish, but today we're bullish. Yeah, they know I'm streaming, so they want, as I said, bro, like we are very transparent with everything. So it's like at this point, um everybody is, the more people know about everything, the better it is. You know, we're not hiding. I personally
Right,
don't
right,
feel like we should be
so-
hiding anything. So, you know, they know, they know already.
I'm gonna test and shit. I don't know. I just want to know like the full. I just want to know what's going on, because like it impacts the way that we market. Because I mean, I was thinking this whole time that we were marketing Titan Asset Management, where it's like.
And now we can't do that.
Yeah, and it's not a great feeling, like getting your name slandered by.
Yeah, that motherfucker dragged your shit, bro. I was like, holy shit. And Jacob's not even
I
here.
get it.
Damn, we might not get this pullback. Yeah.
I mean, I got a question. Like, what if everything that he said is 100% true?
Then we're
Like, do we have
fucked.
grounds to sue?
Then we're fucked.
What do you mean?
I mean, if what he's saying is true, then we can't be using the information to market anything at all, as you're saying, you know.
Well, if we're using the Pakistani-based fund, I guess technically Jamal can say that he was a part of that if he actually was. But
Mhm.
like, I'm saying, do we still have grounds to sue him if everything he said is true? Like,
I mean, yeah, you'd have to. It depends on the situation. You already know. We don't have all the information for that, so it's like, you know, Jamal has that. So it's like, yeah, we got to get that directly from his ass.
Because if yeah, I'm just thinking theoretically, if he's saying all of this and everything is true, the only thing he said about us was, I'm assuming these guys know what's going on.
Yeah.
Because if everything he's saying is false, then yeah, that's absolutely defamation, because he's like technically slandering us under false pretenses.
Mhm.
But if it's true and you just bring up our names, then we can't do anything. So like, I feel like we kind of need to know.
What's going on?
I mean, yeah, I'd like to know. Because I have no doubt in my mind that Jamal is the best trader I have ever met. I just like, if they blew up, like, we just need to know so that like I can be prepared. Like, low key, like when this guy's like bringing up my fucking name next to like.
Yeah. I know that's what's really sending you to, bro. It's like, how the fuck, you feel me?
Well, yeah, I mean, he's like, we haven't even finished our formation docs, and then I'm basically getting like slandered for fraud. So it's like, I would just like to know what's going on.
Yo, imagine we do get our retracement and then we just go to the fucking moon.
This would be good. Check.
Like, we just retrace and it's like to the fucking moon for the rest of the day.
That'd be beautiful if I didn't have to use these fucking pivot points. Yeah, like Zally, these trades before 10 a.m. I'm not even kidding. I can't remember the last time one of these won.
Yeah, we might have to. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I really just entered off that just because I know like that's what, you know, we're doing. So it's like I knew that was like, yeah, I don't want to do it, but it's like fuck it. Not fuck it, but it's like, it just, you know, it's there. Just get the practice.
Yep. Like every time we set up in July.
Oh no, I'm not
it just
underfunded, bro.
loses.
I'm on my actual money.
And this is only just July because I don't feel like going further back. Like this one, 10-10. It's like anything before 10, you're losing.
Yeah, cause between that time, bro, I'm not gonna lie, high key, most of the times the trend isn't really set up to be, you know, strong enough to sustain that push that we need. But you know,
Exactly.
so I
Like
think,
when I'm back testing.
yeah.
Sorry. When I'm back testing, I literally just hope that within the first 30 minutes, it doesn't set up for a fucking trade. Like, literally.
Cause then
I'm
you have
just
to
like-
take that bitch.
Yeah, I'm like, please don't make me take this. Actually, July we hardly had to take anything.
Bro, what do you mean no activity detected? I just waved at somebody. Yo, TikTok is blowing me with this live shit, bro. Holy.
They're probably not gonna be happy that you just said they're blowing you.
I was just thinking that.
I don't know what else to do. Twitch is so cool. Like Twitch, let me tell you what Twitch doesn't like when you cheat. Like if you cheat or do some shady tech, yeah. You're right, Neil.
Yeah. Well, I
Why don't
agree.
you try Kick?
Oh yeah, Kick. We can say whatever we want.
Yeah.
You just have to accept. Yeah, Kick don't give a flying.
Do I get stopped out
Yes,
Oh my
sir.
God,
We
like-
on Twitch too.
Bro, dude, Zelly, this shit is actually so tough. Hold up. This is about to be fucking nuclear.
Which one
Alright.
is that?
Hold
Did
up.
we get
This
that?
is August 1st, 2025.
Did we get that in the morning or we didn't?
Wait, this is back test.
I don't know.
Oh.
I'm trying to
wait,
see
yeah.
like, did we get the retracement in the morning or is it like?
Yeah.
Oh
So
no,
this was at 10:30,
10:30. Yeah, that's a good time.
but we not getting stopped out. Look, this is one tick above our VWAP line. Yup, we good.
And your
Yup,
pivots
we
right
good.
there. How long we in that trade for though? Like couple hours, right? Damn.
So from 10:30 till 1. Well, I mean,
Yeah.
dude, the one yesterday that was like an hour. 50.
That was an hour trade. Yeah, that was an hour trade. That's why I was like, bro, like if I
That's a
just
good
had,
trade, bro.
if I had gotten in on that trade, like I just let that shit ride and then I'd be good.
Oh, this is fucked. We only get
I think
fucking
I think after today though, I'm gonna start just buying one contract based on this strategy.
That's
Anytime,
what I'm
yeah, like, I'm just gonna cause just in case
Yeah.
the account is still up in the green, so I don't want to fucking do no dumb shit and blow that shit.
Yeah.
I don't like being in drawdown, bro. It reduces my self-esteem and makes me soft. Can't afford that.
Yeah,
Dude.
that's all.
So far, it has statistically been impossible for you to be negative on a month if you take every setup. But like, if you miss even one, it could be the difference.
Yeah, you can't miss one. That's the thing.
I mean, like
yeah,
in March 2025, fucking do whatever you want. But like in June, like if you miss 2 trades, you could be in drawdown. In August is a heater. Damn.
oh yeah,
like,
Neil.
this
I
is
don't
the
know
one
if
thing I'm
you
trying to
know
remedy.
about this, but then
Like,
if you're trading,
it
depending
literally
on
just
your
happened
strategy,
here
if you
too.
can trade futures,
So we are
let me turn down Brandon.
17.75.
If you can trade futures, like I really advise like just to get a feel of the heart racing and the, you know what I mean, like the calm that you need to actually trade with money. Like you could start really small, like one contract depending on your broker. Tradeovate, I recommend Tradeovate for sure. Tradeovate, I use Webull because it provides like a good tracking of, you know, all my trades and shit. So yeah.
Turn into a 12.5 point drawdown. Like there's 0% chance I would ever let that happen. And we still haven't even remedied that in return to Vegas. Like even look at this, right? Like I would never let a 13 point or 14.25 point profit trade turn into an 8.25 point loss, like over my dead body, dude.
So you're saying you're closing that, or you're saying because of the system you're gonna lose that?
I'm gonna find a remedy. Like even like, bro, like all I'm saying is like all these returns are still massively profitable. And I'm saying there hasn't even been a solution yet for these kind of trades. Where it's like, this is getting counted as a loss. When would I ever let that be a loss? Never. And like, it's still profitable. Like, this shit is literally like, this is probably like what Superman eats for breakfast.
What was?
Like, I was telling them, right, like, we haven't even remedied for this. Where, look at this trade, right? So it essentially, one of my rules is you can't you can't remain in a trade after the New York session just because I don't know.
Not
anything else
financial
about it.
advice is fucking
So
fire.
this trade is up 17.5 points. Like over my dead body, would I let a trade that's up 17.5 points go to my stop loss? Like right here again. This shit is up 14.75 points. No way would I ever let that turn into an 8.25 point loss. And I'm telling them, I'm like, we're still profitable even though we know the system is still flawed.
Right. Where do you think? Do you have a rule for where you would cut it at, or like
Nope.
try to stop loss, or just break even, or what?
I want to get all the data first before like we make that rule. What I've been doing live though is because I don't have a remedy for it and I know that it's a problem. Is I've been doing what I sent in the Discord yesterday, where if we hit like 75% of the target on a massive trade, I'll just auto sell at a retracement to 50%.
Makes sense.
Because I don't know Fibonacci well enough. I don't understand Elliott waves. Well, actually, can you teach me those sometime? I need to learn Elliott wave theory.
Elliot was probably
Yeah,
the easier
were you
one.
there on Sunday?
No, is it in there? Like, can I just join or watch it and then get that shit in the bag?
You posted the class, right, Jamal?
What's that?
You posted the class, right, for that session?
Yeah, the most recent one. I think it's
Yeah.
like at the halfway point or something. We did like a 15-minute recap on it, and it's like 90% of what you need to know.
Oh no,
It's really nice.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
light work, man. Beautiful.
What was the video saying? Did I miss anything good on it? Should I watch it?
Dude, he was fucking
Yes,
slandering
sir.
me,
We are.
David, and Sagar.
What?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
what did he say? What did he
Like you
say?
gotta watch that shit. We can't even
Like,
like don't repeat it. Watch it yourself, please.
He was okay. Basically, the long and short of it is, he was saying that you're a fraud and you guys lost all of their money, and then he said you're starting a new company, and that because we're doing it with you, we are likely frauds too.
Makes sense. Cool. All right, good to know. I'm not worried about his 7-view video, so we'll see what turns out of that. But no, if you guys want to sue him for defamation, we could always do that. I don't really care that much. But if you guys care, you know, we can let him know.
I doubt Larry has the capital to finance a lawsuit right now.
Yeah,
He
David
does not.
too, so I'd be down. I mean, that's really fucking annoying. Like before the company's even started, somebody's like slandering my name. I'm not a big fan of that.
Yeah. Cool. You want me to send him a demand letter then?
I don't want you don't have to do it. I mean, David.
For me,
said-
just have a lawyer do it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm down.
David's definitely gonna do it.
Yeah.
So then,
it's
what
David,
happens?
isn't it?
What happens if he makes another video in response and says, "Oh, they sent me a demand letter that I'm slandering their names"? Can he do that, or does he just get even more fucked?
Yeah, it's actually there
Then-
because
then
I don't know
we'll
if you
see
see
it.
my
We'll see
chart.
more.
Like I
I mean,
marked it out.
technically,
Like if we
um,
close below these
The
two levels,
only
bro,
reason why
like
me and Alex didn't do
it is
earlier
indicative of going
because,
short.
like,
But I'm
only
still
views
gonna
and
be
it doesn't
biased
matter.
because the overall trend
It's just
for
not worth
today
the
has
time
been
and the
going
headache,
up.
but
That's
if you
just
guys,
really
like,
it.
actually care about it, then
The only time I go
just
short
something
is when
else.
we break this entire view up, you know.
True, because
So
low-key a lawsuit might actually bring more attention than what he's doing. I guess we just have to monitor his views. I just don't like the fact that, like, if somebody looks up, like, our fund on YouTube, they're gonna see that.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be the same thing though. Like even for like when the Forbes and CEO Weekly articles started coming out for Titan, even before Larry was like a part of the fund, there were other people who would go on like Reddit or like these forums and be like, oh, they're advertising like 30% or and 70%. They have to be fake and like they're frauds and like we're gonna get like hundreds of those. Larry's just like a little bit of an extreme version.
now we
but
are gonna get the
there's literally gonna
pullback.
be,
The
like,
thing
I
is,
think, Joe, you were the one that sent me that forum, right?
yeah,
Like, bro, why
sir.
are they hating on you?
Yeah, bro, like they've been hating like way before, bro. Like way before. I was like, bro, you can't like bro, just think about this, Brendan, bro. No matter what you do, you're gonna get like people are gonna like and hate what you do, bro. Like it doesn't matter. The thing is, as long as we know that because I even tell Jamal's the same thing. I'm like, bro, as long as we're operating on the karmic cycle where we know that everybody's aware of what's going on, and we know that we're not literally fucking anybody over in the back of our minds consciously, bro. Like we're solid. You know what I mean? Like if we know that we're fucking people over, like by withholding information and like being fucking grimy, then that's where everything gets cooked. Even as much as we try to bend our words and the laws and regulations and whatnot, bro, like yeah, just do good business, bro. As long as we know we're doing that, we're good.
But yeah, Brandon, there was so obviously Larry's like an extreme case. Like I doubt that's gonna happen. But there's forums, there's people like they won't even invest. They'll just see the website saying X returns and they'll be like, oh, this is a scam.
Mhm.
They're like, tons of those. Zelly was sending them to me. I think my mom found one and sent one to me. And it's literally like people who you've never met. You're probably never gonna meet them. They had no plan of investing. They never will invest. No one they know invested, but they're just gonna see stuff and start hating. So we can tell them like, hey, defamation, we're gonna sue you, but then we're gonna have to do it to like so many people. And we can absolutely, but in my opinion, the reason why I didn't and Alex didn't is because it's just like, our time is better spent on other stuff. But we always can.
Yeah, no, it doesn't seem like it's that deep. If it was like a major person coming out, like if it was Thomas, then I'd get fucking mad.
What do you mean?
If it was Delta Trend Trading,
Oh.
let's say that I'd be mad. But
Yeah, nobody gives a fuck about Larry, bro. Larry's old, and the fact that he didn't read the fucking. I mean, he was. It's like read your contract, bro. Like there's read your contract, bro.
Literally, bro. The front page of the pitch deck, like literally everywhere, and I don't think there's any hedge fund. I mean, there are hedge funds, but like traditional hedge funds, 2 and 20 is like the standard. Like 99% of hedge funds are charging a management fee. Like, what do you expect?
literally.
Yeah, bro. You're not basically that, bro. It's so crazy because people think that it's like a money glitch where it's like, oh yeah, I don't have to do anything. I'm like, bro, that's the point. You don't have to do anything, and somebody else has to go through the psychological ups and downs of trading somebody else's money, knowing that I can't afford to make this go sideways or like fucking crash. So it's like, what are you doing? Chill out. Wait a year. If it doesn't suit your stuff, suit your taste in a year or your whatever you're doing, like then you're okay to take it out. But apart from that, I don't know what else to tell you, bro.
Marty.
What's up, boys?
Yo, dude. Bro, I saw you caught Meta this morning.
Hell no. Hell no.
I'm gonna call that one guy from LinkedIn real quick. Oh, Sagar, finally you made it, bro.
Shit. Bro,
What's up,
yeah.
Sagar?
Nah, take your time, bro. Nah, take your time, bro.
Take your time. The water's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna call that one guy on LinkedIn real quick. Brendan, if you just want to update Sagar on the RIA thing while I'm on that, or I can do it when I get back, whatever you want.
Yeah, I'll prep him. You can refine it if I mess up, but
Alright, see you guys in like 10 minutes.
Peace out, boss.
alright, Sagar. So basically, Jamal wants you to start making connections with RIAs.
Yep.
Yeah,
I think. Yeah, we've been assigned that I think for a little while, right?
Yeah, he said he wants 100 a week, like connections made, like relationships.
Watch this. So, boom. All right.
Okay.
So,
See why
he
this
gave
this
that as
this
part
gap
of
is
it.
like
He
kind of
gave
nice.
some
Let me tell you
details
why.
in depth, but that's kind of the short
Fucking.
is
Okay.
RIA
Wait, hold on.
connections needed 100 a week.
Yeah.
If we get tapped
than
in
100
right here,
what?
right? And
100 human beings.
say for instance, just
What, either
hypothetically
reached out
speaking,
to, spoken to,
right? We
like,
get
what
wicked down
specifically?
into the cloud. You see that? You see where my order is, bro? We get wicked down into the cloud, right? I'm gonna enter.
I gotcha. That makes sense. Yeah, I've
Right.
already been connecting
The
with
gap
them
gets
for a little
respected.
while. I
We're
would
all
say
set.
for at least a month now.
Hypothetically
so, yeah, I've been
speaking,
already doing that, so I'll ramp that up even more.
I don't
Yeah.
trade using fair value gaps. But what I'm saying is,
Just make sure that you're keeping track.
yeah, Yeah.
Okay, yeah. For anyone that I actually source directly, yeah, I'll keep track.
I don't like how we're pivoting though. Like we should just send straight down here, bro. We should just send straight down
And for the
here,
meeting
bro.
with Yoni,
And what's
yeah,
crazy
you
too?
gotta have cameras on, cameras off. What's the, I guess, the seriousness of that?
And what's crazy too, bro? All of this lines up, right? Wick down here, catch it. This pivot low that I have, I think this got marked out. Oh, this is a high.
Probably.
Yeah, so it's perfect. So yeah, it's pivot low. It's pivot high. That means sellers are gonna be right here.
Sorry, not attend.
That is fire.
Doesn't matter. We don't all need to be on it. I'll probably go just because I like Yoni.
Okay.
Ah, damn, Zelly, we almost got our fucking pullback.
Yeah, bro. It might be chalked for today.
And now my pivot's low. I kind of like
Sure.
this though, actually.
I do still like it for buys. I'm not gonna lie. Like everything's lining up. There's a gap that if it gets respected and we wick down into the cloud, like it's right at the fucking gap, bro. It'll be
Yeah.
perfect. And yeah, we just take that back to that. I'm gonna take that back to like I know you're gonna take you're gonna take it differently, but I'm gonna take it to 688.4 if we do get it. And then that'll be all.
You're going back up. You're going to the high.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Fuck, I need to think because I need to eat before.
Gesundheit.
I might just book the Wawa. Like fuck. What should I
Anything else that we gotta go over for the one-on-one? Otherwise, I gotta hop off and do something else.
do? Where are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Me? I'm just out right now, just driving.
Oh shit.
Yeah, grocery shopping. I was at Whole Foods.
Yeah, the 9. I specifically use the 9 and the VWAP, like the 9 EMA, because like I really try to just scalp for the most part. I'm trying to like extend my, how do I say this, the duration of my trades, because back testing I'm realizing that if I'm able to just let time take over, it'll be so much better, you know. So I'm trying to make sure I alter my strategy. Oh my god.
I could tell because anytime we would ask him to raise capital, he would like give this odd reaction. And I'm like, yeah, this guy cannot raise capital.
Well, he just like, I mean, yeah, kind of what we brought him on board for. He didn't want to do.
Yeah, exactly. So
It seemed like he kind of just wanted to take meetings.
he just wanted to handle anything like he just wanted to do what he knew how to do, which is
Yeah.
diligence and just that type of shit. Which I mean, hey, it's great, but we're not just a venture fund, so.
Yeah. Need these stale fucking months. Like, this shit is so boring to backtest. Like, oh my gosh. Give me some fucking April volatility. Holy shit. This is actually really, really fucking bad.
Yo, was Jacob bad? Sorry, I was gone.
No, you're good. Yeah, Sagar said Jacob was like cursing him out.
Oh, really?
I'm kidding. I'm just joking.
No. He was chill about it. He was like, "Hey man, no hard feelings. All's good. It was great working with you guys. You guys are a great team. Blah blah blah." All that. I'm like, okay, best of luck with you. And that's it.
Maybe he needs to talk to
Fucking Larry.
yeah,
Who?
to Larry. Oh, you missed it. Fuck. Sagar, we just got slandered by a fucking old head.
What do you mean?
Somebody posted a video slandering our fund on YouTube.
Larry. Is this someone
Yeah.
new?
In our names. Our name is Sagar.
Huh?
Directly, our full name.
Yeah.
Twice.
He said Sagar Dogra.
He did twice.
This time I'm actually not fucking with you.
It's funny, but like, I'm actually kind of pissed off. Too.
I'm very upset.
I'm actually mad.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I'm in a really fucking bad mood now. David, I don't know if you were here when Jamal said it, but Jamal was saying that we can sue, like send a demand letter if we want. He said it's up to us.
I mean, he's the only one being vocal about it.
Are you being actually for real right now?
Yeah.
Yes, being for real.
Yes. Yes, we're being dead ass.
Well,
That's funny. Just send me the link.
Can you see my screen?
yeah, that's what I use the 9 to trail most of my
What
Join
the
group.
fuck? What the fuck?
to trail my stops.
Yeah.
So
No
here,
fucking way.
right? Let me see this.
What the?
Right here, when we entered right here, and we
Oh
got
my
wicked
God.
out literally at somewhere here. We entered right above here, and then we got wicked out down here. Right, what I wanted to see for me to move my stop loss, it was really good. It was actually very good, I can't lie. You know, it's like if I get a close above the 9, like say the 9, see the 9's right here. If I get a close above the 9, that's the only way I move my stop loss up to break even, because what I've observed as well, like as I said, the more you trade, bro, you're gonna like realize certain habits that you have. I was trailing my 90, I was trailing my stop loss, my trades too closely, and then I would get wicked out way before I needed to. So I stopped doing that, right? Now the next thing I'm gonna stop doing, like I'm not gonna trade. I should not be trading
It's fucking
between
coming up.
9 like a market open and like 10 o'clock, because there isn't a real trend set up for us to take a trade on specifically. So that's not supposed to happen, but because we have a new system we're employing, I have to take the trades when they present themselves. So yeah,
What the fuck?
but regularly I wouldn't have taken that trade because there isn't a strong trend. So yeah. Man, fuck Larry.
Can't even hate on him that much. Like from his perspective, I get it, but
Yeah, bro.
it just sucks for us.
Sucks to suck, bro. O'Neal, you swing trade or do you you swing trade or do you like scalp? What's your like what type of trader are you exactly?
That's actually verified too.
Yeah.
And it was actually better than that too.
Yeah, it was 17, right?
Yeah, he did 14% himself.
Yeah.
So is it like most of this started happening once Alex took over, or is it just like I think it's when he took over?
I don't know. I don't know.
No, I would
Because
like-
he does this month by month make loss. So I'm really curious about that.
yeah, me too.
Bet. Scalping is the way,
Okay,
bro.
This is when the strategy gets like bent over and just beat from the back. Is like when the chart is in a pattern of like a snake slithering around the VWAP. Like, oh my gosh, that's brutal. Like these kind of days, it's just loss after loss.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like those, as I said, when you finish refining it, you're gonna yeah. But it's
I
like
would
on
never-
days like these, we don't. We don't even touch the charts. We do condors right there. The fuck.
Yep. But that is the thing, true too, though. Like, if I'm just trading VWAP here, like I'm hedged by the fact that Jamal is doing condors.
Yeah, that's true. It's fire.
I mean, I guess we do get a win.
Bro, this is crazy.
Yeah, I'm so pissed. I'm so mad, Sagar. I didn't mean to yell at you. I'm just really mad.
Huh?
I didn't mean to like raise my voice at you. I'm just very upset.
When did you raise your voice at me?
Like
I was like,
Saga didn't even realize
"Crap."
what's happening either.
I'm so confused right now.
Sagar, you gotta stop smoking pot, dude.
Yo,
What the fuck did Felicity post? I'm just looking at Felicity's post on LinkedIn. What the fuck is this?
Bro,
Well-
look at this candles, Ellie. This one candle goes up.
you gotta text it, bro.
What is this? This
Is that a
one
wick?
candle, 45. Yeah, the wick is 56 points. Like that's insane, and I'm only allowed to take 11 of them.
Dang.
Do I get another one here?
Wait though. Oh no, baby.
That's
Oh, you're
crazy.
cooked.
What they doing on April 22nd? Yeah, I can't believe I can only take 11, and then we get another fucking snake here. Like, come on.
Iron condom.
yeah, I mean, Jamal is very happy.
I'm about to learn that shit in and out, bro. Just wait.
Dude,
Just
that's another
fucking
reason why I'm
wait.
like, nah.
Never mind, wait, we might be winning this day because I would need a separation candle to enter
ICC
here,
setup just got me another 900.
and I get in here. So I'm currently wearing a bathing suit the way that we're in there, like swimwear. Bro, this is the one time I hate these fucking pivots. But the pivots will save your life.
Brendan, I really, really want to get you a shirt that just says in there like swimwear.
Yeah. Dude,
I
I've been
really do.
saying, like, it's so fun. Honestly.
No, dude, I love it. I love
Find the
it.
funny flowers. Thank you, bro.
It's-
Appreciate you,
it's
gang.
exciting.
But yeah, I love just being a little kid.
Like, all right, we're in this trade, hell yeah. And then as soon as I get in, I'm like,
Thank
"Wait,
you,
no,
thank
let's
you.
swimwear, baby." I'm like, all right, let's go.
You know,
All right, I guess we're not getting this fucking this trade, bro. I guess we're not getting in.
Damn. Yeah.
But it
Like,
like nah, today sucks because it actually went in our direction. It actually went how we needed it to, and then we would have been out of there.
this is what you said yesterday that we're not getting this how.
We not getting it for now. Didn't we leave? We got that shit way at. We left and we got that shit way after.
That came in at like 1.
Yeah, bro. Let's watch this shit.
I'm pretty sure.
High,
Yeah, I missed it
higher
too because I
high.
was shoveling.
This is gonna form a higher high, bro. It's
I
like
texted
it's
Brendan
out of
as
here.
soon as I saw him, like, yo, can you get in? He's like, yes, sir.
Like if we tapped in this gap, bro, like I would have been
Just send a
straight.
picture of swimwear.
Like I would have been like
I
solid
just knew
if we
instantly.
tapped here and then closed. Oh,
I think I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. She got me tight.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I am pretty mad.
Appreciate you for stopping by, Neil. Definitely, bro. You know,
Alright,
back
maybe
here
taking
tomorrow
notes
again.
all
If
day,
if you're gone, and you come back and you don't see me, like back here tomorrow at 9:45 or 10 a.m.
Mr. Jones. Yes, I get the target for the next one. Fuck.
Looking for the right words to say, slowly drifting, drifting away.
Bro! This August price action is like.
So you gotta put that Heat song on.
That's true, bro. Yeah, come out and play, baby. Wait, just wait. Show me how you thankful now, cause I showed you the life that you crave. I told you, I'll hold you, I need you. Right, yo, YouTube is gonna ban the VOD. You're gonna ban the VOD, bro. Yo, fucking David, check. Like, I want to know if this internet's like holding up. Tell me if I'm smooth on Tiki, please, bro.
I got you, buddy.
I don't have a video today, bro. I gotta make one up out of my asshole. Fuck.
Yeah, dude, I haven't really known what to post for a while. I've just been like posting random stuff and Bible verses. So I'm thinking of.
I mean, I can definitely make a claim about this trade today because I spoke about it on live. There is a definite trade here. We just didn't get it as per our setup because two things happened. The fair value gap formed at 10 between like 10, I want to say 10.15 and 10.25. Even though I don't trade those, it's just good to have knowledge of that. If price interacted with that, a Touchstar Cloud went up, like that would have been a solid trade. It's just hypothetical videos. I would have just like trade. That's really it, but nothing else crazy.
I think what I'm gonna start doing for videos again is just say like, yo, going from futures to options, and then just document my option journey.
Bro, you're gonna feel it. When I say you're gonna feel it, bro, you are going to feel it, bro. Like, I feel like every trader should start with options first. Everybody.
Really?
Yes, bro. Because when you start with options, bro, like there's certain things that you like. It's such a whole different experience, bro. You know what I
I'm
mean?
excited, but at the time, I mean, I'm happy I can actually like trade stocks now because with futures you can't trade stocks. But at the same time, I'm kind of nervous because I heard you talking the other day saying like you can't put a stop loss on
No, you
everything.
can't.
Yeah, that's the
you
only
can't- you
thing
have
I'm
to-
kind of nervous
You have to do everything manually.
Yeah.
Them fingers better be fast, brother.
I'm gonna be back
Yeah,
tomorrow,
exactly.
guys.
Also, Zelly
Yeah.
here live looks great, by the way. You're chilling.
All right, bet I just ended the TikTok live. I mean.